And hey, it's Travis with Food Force Abundance, and having our soil mix dropped, and looks like all the grape vines are being set into place, getting ready to be put in the ground. And we are making progress. We got some trees staged over here, and then we got a whole bunch behind me here. All this stuff is getting planted out. It's going to be absolutely amazing. I'm going to zoom in for you. And here we go. I will have some pictures soon once these grapes start going in the ground. And our winery will be about halfway finished for a nice vineyard. Here goes the camera crew filming the big rock. We'll drop off. See the big boulder back here on that pallet. It's a huge boulder. That's going to be a seating area. And that's going to take shape over the next few hours and all day tomorrow. This is an amazing, fun thing to do when you get to turn somebody's backyard into a food-producing, edible landscape where you have food in abundance for years to come. Self-sufficient. Food Force everywhere. Have an amazing day.